guys, welcome back.
Here we are on the CNC with a piece of brass and a 1/4 inch end mill. So we're cutting in the pockets here so that it doesn't take as long to heat up. This was our first time cutting brass, so didn't do super aggressive cuts, so this did take a fair amount of time, and you're watching this in a sped up fashion as well.
Yes.
This is an 1/8 inch end mill now, cutting what will be threaded so that the handle, all thread can just go into it.
I'm doing the vacuuming.
So here we are coming in with a 1/16 end mill. We're going to start taking down the face of it and cutting in the design. So Aaron here made the design in our CAD and CAM program, and then I inverted it and started doing the traffic pathing so that we can make these cuts.
Traffic or tool?
Tool pathing so that we can make these cuts.
The KLR is our kids. Their initials. Our oldest K, our middle is L, and our youngest is R, Rory. So weird to say on him there.
Yeah. So now we're coming in with a...
If there's another way to unlock a DK
With a mess up?
As you can see, something happened and it threw off the homing, and it's cutting in the wrong spot. So I'm going to go ahead and reset that and test this to make sure that it does cut well. I'm going to go...
We'll start over. And we'll restart.
Now here we are, we're actually running a planer pass across it just to flatten it back out, and then I sand it off the top. And we'll skip forward here a little bit so you don't have to watch the entire thing over again. 60-degree V-bit cutting again, and we're just going to outline it, take off some of those edges so that it's got a really smooth Yeah, but-
more legible when we burn.
Yeah, that. As you can see, this time the homing did not get thrown off, and we are making a successful pass with the V-bit to take everything down to its right size, and nothing's going to be too skinny and break. That's also why we did the V as opposed to with the end mill.
Are you sending me the actual camera look? I'm watching the video.
I'm watching the video, but it's like right behind the camera. But if it's too far off,
What do we do? If it looks weird.
it looks weird. I did break a bit or two on this, and that is another reason as to why we slowed this down and took multiple steps. There's probably could take much more aggressive cuts, but first time cutting it, a little worried about that.